In this video, you'll learn how to create and customize railings in ideCAD. We'll cover adjusting general settings, designing railings with balusters, plates, and handrails, and saving or loading styles from the library. You'll also see how to place railings on balconies, terraces, and stairs, and how to edit railing elevations for perfect alignment. By the end, you'll know how to design professional railing systems quickly and easily in ideCAD. Let's place railings in areas such as balconies and garden terraces. Click the Railing command. The toolbar containing railing-related tools will appear, including Railing, 3D Railing over Objects, Edit Railing Elevation, Update 3D Railing, and Settings. When the Settings icon is clicked, the Railing Settings dialog opens. Here, the current railing type can be viewed in the perspective preview. Various parameters such as elevation, chord count, start-end offset value, railing ID, color, line type can also be adjusted in General section. In the Railing Unit Settings tab, a custom railing can be designed according to your preferences. There are 3 sections for railing design: the baluster section, where railing profiles are arranged, the plates section, where panels are arranged, and the rails section, where handrails are arranged. In the baluster section, settings such as the spacing between profiles, reference points for height, offset, profile section, thickness, and 3D material are configured. In the plates section, settings such as which profiles and rails the panels will be placed between, offset, displacement, thickness, and 3D material are adjusted. In the rails section, the height of the handrails from the ground, the profiles between which they will be placed, extension, displacement, profile section, and 3D material properties are set. The modifications can be monitored in real time through the preview window. Let's modify the railing design. Add a railing profile to the current railing from the baluster section. Set the distance value to 0.5. Select one for the top rail index. Choose a 4 cm by 4 cm profile. Delete one of the existing handrails from the rails section. Thus, the railing design has been successfully completed and is ready for creation. Alternatively, predefined railing styles can be loaded using the Load Railing from Library option. When the button is clicked, the Railing Library window opens. A desired railing style can be selected from the list. Custom railing designs can also be saved for future use with the Save Railing to Library option. After clicking the Save Railing to Library button, a name is assigned to the railing. When the OK button is clicked, the railing is added to the library. This railing type can then be used in different projects. With the Reset Railing button, all railing components can be removed. With the Clear Selected button, the selected object can be deselect from the preview window. Once the adjustments are completed, the dialog is closed by clicking the OK button. Now, the railing placement process can be started. Click the left mouse button to set the starting point of the railing. Press the spacebar to change the railing's offset direction and define the railing linearly by turning at the corners. Right-click to complete the operation. Double-click on the railing to open the Railing Settings dialog. In the Settings dialog, the railing placement path can be customized from the Railing General Settings tab. The Per Segment option distributes the profiles evenly along each path, ensuring consistent spacing and no gaps. The Throughout Path option distributes profiles along the entire path, which may result in gaps at corners or uneven spacing. Another important setting is the positioning. If Not Fitted is selected, profiles are placed without aligning to the individual path segments. If Fitted is selected, profiles are aligned based on each path segment, improving placement accuracy. For more precise and efficient results, especially to avoid extra or misaligned profiles, it is recommended to use the Per Segment and Fitted options when working with railings. Let's say the current stair railings don't match the desired design and a different style is preferred. In this case, The 3D Railing over Objects command can be used to define new railings for the stair. The new railing will be created directly on the existing stair. First, hide all the railings on the stair using the Show Hide Railing command. We'll use the 3D Railing over Objects command, as the railing is not being placed flat on the ground, but instead follows varying elevations along the stair. Click on the first tread. The program will prompt you to specify the object for the railing. The Select Entity dialog will open. Select the stair, then click the OK button. Continue clicking on the treads as frequently as needed to define the path, ensuring the railing accurately follows the full shape and elevation changes of the stair. The railing will be placed automatically, following the elevation levels of the selected points to ensure proper alignment. Finally, right-click to complete the operation. After creating the elevations of the railings, they can be modified. In ideCAD Architectural, there are two commands for this: Edit Railing Elevation and Update Railing 3D. With the Edit Railing Elevation command, a new elevation value can be entered manually for the selected point on the railing. When the mouse is hovered over the elevation point to be changed, the cursor turns into a tick. Clicking it allows you to enter the new elevation value. Once the OK button is clicked, the elevation value changes and the railing is updated. With Update Railing 3D command, the existing object's elevations are used as a reference, and a selection list is displayed. When the mouse is hovered over the elevation point to be changed, the cursor turns into a tick. Clicking it opens the elevation selection list. All 3D objects and their elevations aligned with the clicked point are listed. After selecting the desired elevation from the list and clicking OK, the railing is updated according to your selection. This concludes the railing design process, and the customized railing is now ready to be used in your project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.